Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Investing and Trading Live. As always, my name is Josh Lilquist, and boy, I tell you what, we have a phenomenal opportunity this week. We have a big move in these markets, especially in the oil market here today. Oil up about 4% due to fears in Israel. There's some tensions going on over there. The major markets have opened lower on the day, but they have shown some strength as the market has opened up and moved the past 30 minutes or so. And that's what we're going to talk about here on the show here today is some of the opportunities as these markets are showing major volatility, great opportunities in these markets. We're going to see in some ETFs that are moving. Some of the stocks, they're not moving quite as much, but there's some retailers that have some good drops here today. And then we'll do a market update here today. We'll do the S&P 500, the major indexes. We'll check out oil. We'll do some analysis on that. We'll check out our target options since we were talking about those last week. And I believe we have some currencies that I want to discuss here today as well. So that being said, there is risk in trading and investing. You can and will lose money at one point in your life. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only, mainly my entertainment, but hopefully you find it entertaining as well. Okay, here we go. S&P 500 SPY currently at 428.79. The market closed with just a rocket ship of a day on Friday, closing right around 429.44. But yeah, currently at 428.78. Gapping lower, opening the week here. It's Monday, about 9 o'clock, so the market's been open for half an hour here in the week. Opening right around the 427.59 area, so it's up about $1.25 since the open. Yet, that being said, still down for the day, but we are showing some strength coming out of the open here. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, 333.82, same thing, gapping lower, really gapping and open at the low of the day. It went straight up. I don't see any wicks on these candles. So the Dow Jones just going straight up after the open. That is the Dow. The Qs, which is the NASDAQ, QQQ, 363.28 currently. Same thing, opens up lower. This one did show some weakness right away, but as of right now, showing some strength as the market is cruising right along. We'll see what happens here at the 9 o'clock turnaround, 9 o'clock time here. IWM, which is the Russell ETF, currently at 172.25. Closing the week last week at 172.96, opening at almost the low of the day, 471.88. So showing some strength, but it's been weaker as the market has opened up. It popped up right away, but showing some weakness right now. So this one is our biggest loser of the day, down 0.39% on the day. Everything else is right around even now as far as the Dow, actually. Wow, Dow is really showing some strength. The Dow is shooting up right now, everybody. Currently up on the day now, and the S&P 500 is getting very close to that break-even point on the day. So that being said, those tensions over in Israel may not show a big factor in our markets. It just showed a big move in the first half hour of the day. But we'll see as the week goes on here what happens. All right, going to oil, since we were talking about oil in the title. So oil actually, interesting enough, bouncing off of the 89-day moving average. I like a little strategy called the 889. 989. 889.99, same thing. But anyways, currently up 3.5% now on the day, so that's coming down a little bit. But closing the week last week at $82.25 per barrel roughly, and currently at $85.66. So up about almost $3 on the day. That is your oil market. We will go back to the ETFs because I want to look at XLE because that's going to probably show the same move roughly, and it is. Thursday, Friday were pretty good days, even though the Thursday and Friday were down from Wednesday because of the big gap down, but yet showing strength out of those days. But closing the week at 85.68 and currently at 88.21 for XLE. So we may see the effects here at the pumps here moving forward. USO currently at $76.58, up 3.26% on the day. We're going to see some volatility. I'm going to get the options platform ready as we speak here and see what type of options opportunities we have in the market today. Might have something, who knows. The volatility is down today, so the volatility did not spike after all this, which is interesting, which does not show much fear in the markets. Let's see. Gold up 0.72% on the day, so gold really showing some big moves, opening up at the close of the day on Friday, but showing some pretty good strength, up 13 bucks, which was 0.73%. And really coming off that demand zone. Pretty good. We talked about that demand zone in the Discord last week. I also talked about it here. Maybe it was Wednesday. I think it was Tuesday we talked about that. It was in that demand zone, and respecting that demand zone is getting about a 2-to-1 out of that demand zone so far. Around the 810 to 824 area. So that's currently at $1,846 and even. Silver, currently at $21.68. So silver, kind of the same story. And really showing some pretty good strength right away in the evening hours, but slowing down here the past, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours or so. So still in that daily, it did break this demand zone that we were looking at earlier, and still in this daily downtrend. Probably get down to the lows here of $20. That is your silver market. Okay, let's get down to some other ones. Bitcoin is down 1% on the day, up about 1.5%. After it's somewhat trying to start a daily uptrend, but yet then again, it's kind of a slow daily uptrend. We'll get into our currencies. Actually, let's do our currencies right now since we talked about crypto. Euro dollar. We have an opportunity with the euro dollar short. I got this flagged here right on the 107.52 as a potential opportunity on that. Currently, I'm sorry. 106.75 is our opportunity, which is about 100 pips away, 125 pips away. Pound dollar, we have a short bias as well. And this one here, currently in the zone, my friends. Actually, no. We are in wait and see mode with this. Price has not given us the opportunity here yet, but we are in a short bias with the pound dollar. Same thing with the Aussie dollar in a short bias. This one here, I do like it at 64.25 area. So that's your Aussie dollar. We have an Aussie yen long potential bias And this one here, 93.25. So we got a long ways to go on this one. This one's a ways away, about 175 pips away. Aussie New Zealand. We got a short bias on this one. And it looks like this is the closest one we have. Dollar 1.0675 is our potential opportunity there. So we got a little bit ways to go there on that one, and I believe that rounds out our currencies. BHG up 19 cents on the day. Woohoo! 3%. Way to go, hometown guys. Boy, this is a weird looking chart. Just a goofy looking chart. Not much trading action on this one. Just kind of a dog. Nvidia down 2.66% on the day. Ooh, we're going to go look at Walmart in a second. And American Airlines. We'll probably see our airlines see a spike down here in the next, if not already, but now because oil increasing in price. Apple currently at 176.37, down 0.67% on the day. Tesla's down 2.4%. So your big movers are the big stocks, your Magnificent Seven. These ones are showing some pretty big weakness here, guys. So that's one thing, because that's been propping the market up for so long. Be careful on that, everybody. 3M is down. DocuSign's down. No other major ones, around 1%, 2% for Alibaba. American Airlines down 6%. Let's go look at that. Wow. 6% for American Airlines. Volatility. We got to get our volatility on here. I don't remember how to do it. Here we go. There we go. American Airlines. Volatility is spiking up. We are way low on the percent Bollinger Bands. Let's go look at our options with that. So current price is at $11.97. So we'll call it $12 even. $12 even. I like this one. This one is catching a falling knife, though. I mean, you can get the 9.5s and get a percent on that. Let's see what the 9.5s look like. The 9.5s. See if there's a demand zone near there. Current price, we need this to drop another 20% to get down to the 9.5s, which is right near a demand. I like the demand zone at $10. So I'm looking at a daily chart, everybody, and I like there's a nice demand zone right at $10. I really like that. I will go and look at that here. $21%. Oofta. That's a nice one. For 30 days. That's a long ways to go. This could show some big tensions, though, because of Israel. We could see some big drops in that. I do like that, though, so I'm going to continue to monitor this as we get off the show here today. I'll let you guys know tomorrow what we do with that one. So Walmart, volatility is spiking up with this one. If you do like Walmart long term, which I kind of like. I mean, I don't see what's going anywhere. See what the old Walmart is giving you. 32 days. 140, actually no, 150s. No, not really giving much for premium. 150. I do like American Airlines though, but we do have added risk on that. I will go analyze that one later. So American Airlines. Let's go to our other chart. What was that $9 or $10 area where we had a demand zone? Yes, sir. Beautiful. Okay, we will go look at that in a little bit. But currently, guys, in a pretty strong downtrend. So there you have it. That's American Airlines. Target down 0.3%, down to 104.61. This one is continuing to plummet here, you guys. 104.55 now. And rounding out the stocks and our market update, Caesar's Palace down 4%. Macy's down 2.9. So Macy's is down 2.9. Nordstrom's is down 2.9. So some of your retailers, Nike's down 0.6%. So we got some big stocks that are down today, guys. So I don't know if this whole tension in Israel is creating some of that, but then again, just follow your charts, follow your supply and demand strategy if that is how you trade. For those of you that have been around me long enough, you know that's the strategy that we talk a lot about on the show here, is supply and demand, which is basing your decisions off the price chart, not the news. So that being said, we'll do another market update tomorrow. I'm going to look at American Airlines, see if we have opportunities there. But yeah, that being said, collect your profits when they're shown to, and protect your losses, keeping them small. Until next time, retire young, my friends.